YouTube. Hey, it's me again. Before I make another video, I have to take all this off the bench for now because it's not really the purpose of my video today. So, yes, it's another cleaning the bench video. But yeah, I think this is I think this device right here is a Peter Wright, what is it called again? Leg vise. I'm going to make a stand for it, leg vise. But I got to move it out of the way because I have too much shit going on this bench right now. So, find some room for it. Put it over here on the floor. This way it's not in my way. I don't know if you can see what I'm doing here, but yeah. There's all the pieces. Clean them off pretty good. I made a video last week of me doing this. I'm gonna finish taking the, I don't know if you can see it over here, the bolt out of here. You can see the bolt. Right. There's a bolt here. Apparently this thing comes off and it's all one piece. Quick grinding, some zinc oxide primer, and some black stuff, I guess. I don't know. Maybe I'll put some boiled linseed oil on it. I don't know. Something weird, something different. There's a layer of black gunk all over my desk. Wait, not my desk. And I don't want to pinch a finger again because pinching fingers isn't very fun. I almost got one of those really bad blood blister things last time. But I want to make a stand for that. Yeah, sorry about that last video. I just so happened to run out of space on the fancy, what do you call it, camera I'm using. I'm using an old phone, so it's not exactly the, what could I say? Look at this. I don't know if you can see this pile of brown crud here, but there's brown crud everywhere here. So my job right now, for one, is to bore the hell out of you and clean up the brown crud. Well, I don't want to bore the hell out of you, but this shit's everywhere. It's like, it's on the Wilton vise, it's everywhere. Weather's getting nicer. I told you this in every video, but I'm going to be vapor rusting the Wilton vise. Put it on the floor for now here. But in the meantime, I gotta clean this stupid bench off. It's covered in blah. So, I'll probably, I don't know how long this video is, but I will probably spare you the grief in a couple of seconds and clean all this crap off because there's shit on here that we need. Just a lot of crap. But I got a couple of neat little things. I was in America, and I picked up some, oh, I was getting some stuff anyway. Brought the wife across the border, and we, was her last big shopping day before the baby shows up. Yeah, we're having another one. There's brown stuff on this thing everywhere. Look at this. Not like brown tools, huh? But it shows you actually do something. There's dirt on things. Ooh, this is nasty. There's nasty shit everywhere. Brown crud. I think what I'm going to do is try a different plan of attack this time. I'm going to move all the crud that way. And then I'll clean it off from the other side. Try a different cruddy move. So here's nice big ucky powder everywhere. So if I push it all this way, I'm not leaving it on that side, I'm just moving it. But yeah, I went across the border and I was at TJ Maxx, and last time I was in here, my wonderful camera fell off the thing and I broke a piece of it. So instead of like going on Amazon, I figured, I'll check to see what I got. I just needed the little bracket to hold the phone, and so I got the little bracket and a few other things, so I'll show you that in a minute. Anyway, let me turn this off. I don't want a 5-minute freaking long clean the bench video.